welcome, welcome to the channel. Welcome to RSD Ride Street Daily. It's your boy Roddy, aka Joseph Fullwood, bringing to you my 240. All right, so I decided to, after a period of time of thinking, way back when I had my car, 240SX, 1990, K24E, single cam, you already know what it is, and everybody kept on like what I did with it and stuff like that, and there were people like, where's the car? Because I had the car for 6 years prior, and then it was down for 1 year. And everybody's like, what happened to the car? You sold it? And I was like, no, I did not. I'm just working on it. So you should record stuff on it. And I was like, what you mean? So I was like, all right, fine. I went on YouTube and I find people recording the stuff that they're doing. I'm like, why not? You know, so I just start recording stuff, recording things, what I'm doing with a vehicle, not really, thinking about uploading the videos, like making a full channel. That's what I was thinking about, showing what I've been doing. And, I have a personality that's gonna show it to the world. You know what I mean? So I was like, you know what? Fine. A few months ago, I was like, all right, I got my place. Time to make some more content. And I was doing my thing. And I was like, when am I gonna make this channel? And I was thinking. And people keep on pulling off to the side of the street, like, yo, pull over. Let me see your car, man. I just wanna check this out. I went to a rally the other day. They were like, oh, I just gotta walk across the street and get the car, man. The car looks nice. And I was like, you know what? Fine. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. So I'm just gonna make this channel, show what I'm gonna be doing. I hope that everything goes well and that you guys love what you see, and that is just, you guys just give me thumbs up all day, subscriptions all day, likes all day, and just stay tuned for those ringy bells. Press that bell so you get that bell, and I hope you love the content. I've never lip sync. I've never done something like this before. It's gonna be stepping out of my comfort zone. But hey, you have to get to the bridge and start crossing it and do your thing. And at some point, you'll cross it, right? So, everything's a journey. So, welcome to the channel. I hope you love it. Ride Street Daily, RSD. Let's get it. Check it out. That's it, guys. That's my 240. A lot of people keep on asking me about it, so I'm gonna give you a channel to tell you about it. How about that? How you like them apples? So, this is I'm gonna do some tires on it tomorrow. Tires are over there. Yeah. So, did Rocket Bunny on it, but I did a halfway bunny on it because I really love the pig nose style on the vehicle. And I was just like, nice. So I just decided to split a little thing on here, and then I put a splitter on there, and it was technically a hit right off the bat. Like, people love the car. I have, at first, people was like looking at it, was like, oh, cool 240, you know. But once I put the kit on it with that splitter in the bottom, the car becomes a whole different thing. And I've been getting a lot of thumbs up on it. I was like, why not make a channel? So I have my Rad Life 48 right here. The RSD Rad Street Daily is gonna be going on top. Subscribe, don't be a scribe, don't be a sub, be a subscriber to the channel so that you can see the things I'm gonna be doing to this. This car under the tent. Yes, it was under a tent while I was working on it. Like, it was crazy, in dirt. I didn't even have a floor. It was dirt. I was working on this car. So if you notice that, yes, it was a crazy, crazy build. You know, basically, I kind of rushed it to get it to where it's at because I was trying to get out of where I was at. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you like it and you subscribe and that you will stay tuned with the bell, ringing off your phone notifications, knowing that I have just posted another one. So have a good one.